Question number 30. Light of wavelength lambda is normally incident on a diffraction grating with a total number of n lines in width W. So you have a diffraction grating, okay, and it is incident over here. So you are having n lines in a width of W. This width is W. Okay, so we define something over here. What is it we define? We say the value of D. What is the value of D? The distance between one slit and the other slit, which should now be equal to, what is it? W divided by N, right? Okay, it should be very closer over here. How many lines? What is the distance? This is width in centimeter. Okay, this is divided by N. So this will give you the value of D. And a second order maximum is observed at an angle of diffraction angle theta. So what is the equation here? He is asking you to find out the N. See, when you read each statement, write down the corresponding math behind it, because all your outputs over here, whatever you are going to determine, is being determined only by making use of the math over here. So therefore, first write down the math here, and then the condition here for diffraction is nothing but d sine theta is equal to n lambda. What's the value of n? N is nothing but second order maximum. Put n equal to 2, I get d sine theta is equal to 2 lambda. Now what is it being asked? What's the value of n? Now substitute the value of d also here. So I get w divided by n into sine theta is equal to 2 lambda. I need to get the value of n. So therefore the value of n would be w sine theta divided by 2 lambda should be your answer. W sine theta by 2 lambda is answer C.